winding down after a 15-mile hike. Remember that sense of accomplishment that I was talking about? I'm feeling that right now. Man, today's quick boost that I had in mind for you guys though is kind of from yesterday. After the workout from yesterday, I was even thinking about it this morning, like, it's so important to surround yourself with your cheerleaders, your support groups, the people who are for you, the people who are going along on this journey with you, the people who basically want to see you do well. It's so important that you find this community, and a community can be one or two other people, right? You find this small group of people who share the same goal as you, so that when you're struggling, when you're moving mountains out of the way, when you're persevering, when you're working along trying to finish 15 miles, right? You have that constant supportive energy. It's very empowering. I can't stress this one enough. The importance of that constant support, because it's really going to help you to get through this handbook if you think about it. 8 weeks in a row doing something very consistent. I don't think it's hard, but it does make it a lot easier to have people in your corner to root for you. So that is my quick boost for you today. I'm about to go and rice and do what I practice. I'm also going to take care of that stretch that I did earlier. If you haven't seen it, today is stretch day. Calves and hamstrings. I'm about to do that right now, take care of myself. And we have one more day of hiking before we start heading back home. So I hope this helps you guys. You guys are doing great. We're wrapping up the third week, and I'll see you tomorrow to wrap up.